Welcome to Good Wheels, a family-owned and operated dealership serving the South Jersey area since 1988. We have what you are looking for.
Check out this pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 64,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include power steering, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, XM satellite radio, and OnStar. Call us today at 881-3557 to set up a time to look at this vehicle.